spicy. Hotter than anything you've ever had in Port. Hotter than anything you've ever had in Flagstaff.
Durban curry.
Durban. Where's better to have it than in Durban? With this beautiful background. Let's walk us through it. Who does it remind you of?
Hell.
Oh shit! So your ex.
Satan.
Satan. So your ex. There you have it, guys. We are still in sunny 031. We are now still by the beach side, and we have got our final victim for the day. You wouldn't believe it. Craig, come on screen with your crew. Everybody follow him. This is his support system here, guys. This is gonna be our challenge. Brother! How's it? Yeah. Let the people know why the heck did you want this 300?
Hi, James, the guys said I can do it, so I took it on.
Who are these guys that are putting you in bushes now? Who's this?
Hi, how's it? Riyadh.
This is Riyadh. Riyadh.
Instagram handle @Riyadh_SA.
There you have it, ladies. Look at him, ladies. Look at him. Look at him. Right next to him, we have.
Vala.
Give us more than that, Vala. Oh, we have Vala. What's Vala?
Insta handle is Rivaldo_Peter. Rivaldo with the I.
Rivaldo with an eye. You hearing it, guys?
Because I am amazing.
There you have it, because he is amazing. Last on the line, we have.
Alvimos, Dankimos, Alankalafmos, Ferrero Rocher on Instagram.
Ferrero Rocher on Instagram. Guys, this is the whole squad all the way from Flagstaff, these guys. So they're here on vacation, all the way from Port.
I'm from Joburg.
Okay, they're not from KZN. They aren't from KZN. Guys, you're from Port, you're from wherever. Do you guys have these then?
No.
You don't know what this is? Okay, perfect. This is the hot chip challenge. Let's see how much of a man you are. The rules are simple.
Okay.
5 minutes. This says RIP. This is rest in paradise. Don't worry about the rule. 5 minutes. If you can eat this for 5 minutes, not drink water, not drink milk, I'm gonna make you 300 rand. Now who's gonna just give you 300 rand on the streets? No one. Guys, motivate him, push him, do whatever you can for this man to make that 5 minutes without drinking anything. Now, Azisha Baba,
Let's go. Come on.
make me Michael Jackson there and put this glove on. It even comes with a glove, guys. That's when you know it's gonna be happening here. That's when you know. Guys, don't forget to support him. We have this on standby. We have the water. We have the milk. Let's find out if we have a man in front of us. Let's find out if we have a man in front of us. Buddha, I'll let you do the honors. Hi, I'm this and I'm Tonton. Before you do, now open it. Let us know of the smell. How's the smell? More spicy, huh? You know what? Better you than me. Okay. How much time we got on the clock?
I'm recording.
What's the time?
It's now 17 minutes past 4.
17 minutes past 4.
Yes.
Okay. You guys can stop watching.
Alright.
You should be mentally preparing, Chris.
Nice,
You should be
bruh.
mentally preparing.
Alright, let's go in. Let me know when I
Okay.
can sign.
I'll guarantee you one thing now.
Okay.
Nothing you've ever had in your life is
Yeah.
spicy as this chip.
Serious.
I'm serious.
Nothing.
I hope you don't have any history of ulcers or anything like this.
Aye.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. That's 5 minutes. Let it start. Let him eat it first, Golongo. We're waiting for you. As soon as it's in your mouth, we'll start. What of it? There's another piece there. Don't start yet. Now. I get Chris, walk us through it, Baba. Walk us through it. How's it like? How's it like? As soon as you went into your mouth, there we go. Support your man, guys. How's it like, Chris? Hi, boy. How's it like, Chris?
He doesn't want to speak. Leave it.
Get up, once you
No.
Oh, there you go, bro. Have some water. No crying yet. Tell the people at home what it's like. Tell the people at home what it's like.
Too spicy, bro.
Too spicy. Hotter than anything you've ever had in Port. Hotter than anything you've ever had in Flagstaff.
Durban curry.
Durban. Where's better to have it than in Durban? With this beautiful background. Let's walk us through it. Who does it remind you of?
Hell.
Oh shit! So your ex. bro. You can make it. How much are we there?
1 minute.
Well, man, we've got 4 minutes left. Chris, has some more time, my man. Hold it down.
Hey.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Don't take it. Wait.
Oh, I'm not the man.
Don't move your
No.
mouth too much. Just keep it slow.
How's it like it? Look at the camera. Let us know. Let us know. Motivate them, guys. Let us know. Give me some slushy.
No, yeah.
We ambulance. This guy's crying. This guy is crying. Look at the camera. Look at the camera for us. Look at the camera. Have some water, bro. He's out. Hey, boy, you okay? Have some water. Give him some milk. He's out. That's it. That's it. He's out. That's it. He's tapping out. You okay? Go give some. He needs some milk. Give this man some. Look at the camera for us, man. Look at the camera for us. Look at the camera for us. Cut. Cut. How's it like, man? Talk to us. Talk to us. Look at you. Talk to us. How is it?
This man didn't even...
It's hot. The man can barely breathe, guys. Hi, Bosh, are you okay? Drink some milk, Mfethu. Drink some milk.
Give that man some...
Guys, this hot chip challenge is no joke. As you can see, it's making grown men, and it's not even his fault. This is just damn hot. This is just damn hot. Nobody blames you, Chris. Nobody blames you. Your bras are laughing, but they don't blame you.
Yeah, I'm not laughing. I'm giving you milk.
Your bras are laughing, but they don't blame you. Put them. Chris, come back here, man. Come back here.
Right, gLiTtv the minute. Other guys don't even
The man
see
was
that
down.
red.
A minute. Let's look there real quick, Chris. Please come here, man. Please come here, man. Please come here. Please come and join me. Please come and join me. How's the water? You don't need water. Please come here and join me, man. Please come here and join me. Let's look there for the people. Let's look at the people at home. Let's look at the people at home. How's it, man?
I think it's spicy, bro.
Talk to us about the scale of 1 to 10.
100.
Would you ever do it again?
Never.
Ever. Not worth the money.
Still funny.
No.
Yo.
It's still kicking you.
Yo, my dog.
Ah, my dog, but you said you could handle it, you know. But you said you could handle it, my G. What happened?
I'm scared of it, and I eat that stuff.
What happened, my G? You said you could handle it.
Yo.
Alright, guys, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, guys. Chris, what I can say is thank you. Hey, my bro, hey, I'm not gonna. Hey. After that hot chip challenge, let's look at the people. Please give a disclaimer. Please just give advice for anybody who wants to try this challenge. What can you tell us at home? Don't try this at home, at the beach, in Durban, in Port, in Klerksdorp, in Joburg, wherever you want. Do not try this at home. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of it. Any last minute shout out you want to give?
Yes, no shout outs, but just go and follow. Just go follow me on Instagram. That's it.
That's it. Vala, last final words.
You just saw y'all people.
He just so hell. Mooi from Fed from Mooi.
Just don't fall into those people's trap. You're gonna end up making you burn.
Danke, Barcelona. Yes, the people one final message, my man. Unfortunately, Greg does not win the money, but that's how this game works. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned to find out who exactly will conquer the Hot Chip Challenge Durban edition. Stay with us. Don't go anywhere. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Finally get a message while I'm playing. I thought the people 2020 for the thing. Yeah, seeing finally get it. Finally get a message.
It's easy, finally get it started, finally get a message while I'm playing. I told these people 2020 for the taking. Yeah, I see it contemplating, trying to break me while they hating. How you hate a nigga, boy?